Another 3 points on the board for yourselves. Did you find the first half quite frustrating?
Yeah, it was very frustrating. They came in and had a game plan set up to frustrate us, not really attacking and followed us all over the pitch. So they were difficult to break down. Fair play to them. I felt once we got the first one, we get a couple.
Yeah.
And it seemed to be the case. So I was pleased in the end.
Do you think the 2 goals come at a good time for yourselves?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that because they frustrated us, we ran away from what we were doing, what we were doing well. And then when they actually went to our game plan and passed the ball from side to side and moved it quicker than they did or had been, we got a bit of joy. So I was pleased with that.
Yeah, George again on the score sheet. He can't stop scoring at the minute.
No, yeah, he's in the right place. He's on a streak, as you say. He's very integral to how we play. He's doing a different role for us currently.
Yeah.
He's always got that threat. It's worked great. He's become a massive character for us on and off the pitch is really important.
We had a scrappy 10 minutes in that second half where we kind of lost possession of the ball.
Yeah, I think Holyhead came and in the second half in particular they started to pass it a little bit more and make sure that they pushed us back a bit, which against the wind was difficult. But I felt that we always had a couple more goals. And that's the only disappointing thing, really, is to be a bit more ruthless in front of goal.
Yeah, we had a lot of chances today, didn't we?
It could have been 6 or 7. So. But that's what it is. It's 3 points, and we move on to Premier Cork away.
I just want to touch on Luca, who's signed for us this week. That gives you another option up front, especially when you've got Danny Warren and Ollie out with injuries at the minute. Yeah. What does he give you a different aspect in that position, or? Yeah,
I mean, he had 20 minutes today. I know he's not had a lot of football for a bit, so he wants to come in and prove himself. That was a conversation that we had with him during the week. So he did come on today. I thought he did really well.
Yeah.
Should have scored maybe. Being really critical, but he was a threat. He was quick. He was direct. Put his body around and got into the centre of the goal, and that's what we want him to do. So hopefully, as he gets fitter, he'll be able to contribute.
Okay, thank you. Well done.